Hello students, myself Madhuri Pathak, faculty of US Academy and Institute, Gorakhpur. I am your GK teacher. Student, I hope that whatever teacher is teaching to you all are revising that by keeping yourself safe at home. So whatever subjects are taught, please revise it. Today I am going to teach you about Asian Games. Student, first I will tell you the meaning of Asian Game. Here I have written the Asian Games are also known as Asiad. Okay, the Asian Game is are also known as Asiad. It is a continental multi-sport event held every 4 years among athletes from all over Asia. So, from whole country, Asia continent, all athletes are participating. Student, firstly it was originally found by YMCA in 1913, and the image of this was as image of Olympic Games, and it ended in 1934 before the Second World War. It started in 1913 and it ended in the year 1934. Student, the first event was held in 1951. I have written here, just see, first event was held in 1951 in New Delhi. So student, it was started again in this year, and the main purpose was to promote sport in Asia and to unite Asian countries through this. I have explained you that it is a multidisciplinary sport. Okay. Many of the person participate in this game so that we can have friendly relation with each other. This game is organized by an International Olympic Committee. Students, remember this. This game is recognized by International Olympic Committee. And one more thing is there, that it is the second largest multi-sport event after Olympic. Again I am repeating, Asian Games are known as the second largest multi-sport event after Olympic. So, the main theme of this game is to promote peace. So, this committee are organizing this type of games to have peace and harmony among Asian nations. You know that the players are from different countries. When they meet each other, they stay in a group or in that area for many days. So while playing games, they all are friendly among each other. As suppose you are going for a trip, आप पिकनिक जा रहे हो और many students are along with you. Suppose class third students are there, fourth students are there, fifth students are there. So what happened? You all are in a group. During sports also you can see the sports are organized in house wise. blue, green, red, yellow. So, in each and every house, the students are from nursery class to class 12th. So, during those days, what happened? You all become closer to each other because you belong to a particular house, means you are belonging to a particular family. Same way, here also, Asian Games are organized so that we can have peace and harmony among our Asian nations. Students, I have explained earlier that the first event, means first Asian Games, was held in 1951 in New Delhi, and the last event was held in 2018 in Jakarta. Now it is 2020, so the last game was held in 2018 in Jakarta. Students, in Asian Games there are different types of games. Something near about 44 sports have been included in Asian Games. So how many games are included in Asian Games? About 44 sports. Okay. Some of the I have written name here: archery, artistic, swimming, athletics, badminton, etc. Student, the Asian Games motto is ever onward. So, what is the motto of this game? Ever onward. Remember this. So, some of the points I have explained here about Asian Games. I hope you all have understood. Kindly go through it, whatever is taught. Be safe at home. Thank you, students.